back to my channel. So as you can guess from the title below, it's a Zara sale haul. So I did the same kind of video earlier and I got a great response on that. I got more than 2k views, I guess. So I decided to do a part 2 of it. I managed to shop quite a lot of things from the Zara sale, which was there recently. So here I am doing a haul for you guys, showing you what I got. So let's get started. So the first thing I got is this bag, which I'm in absolutely love with because this is transparent, it's completely see-through, and this kind of thing is very much in trend right now, so I got it. It's in a beigeish brown color and it has a little this thing where you can keep your essentials. It's like a small pocket inside, which is obviously not sure because you can keep anything whatever you want. And this is a nice bag, it's good for college and I really like it, and the moment I saw it I decided to buy it, so yes. So this bag originally is of 2290, but I got it around 1100 in sale. So this is another bag which is black and it has some gold detailing over here on the buckle, this chain, and it's a nice small bag. You know, you can carry a good decent amount of stuff in here, and this comes with this long sling as well, so I think it's easy to carry, it's nice, it's decent, it looks classy, it's black and gold, so I really liked it and I got it. So this one is around 2k after sale. So next up I have these sunglasses which I am totally crushing on. These are super cool. As you guys can see, I'm putting this on and this is how it looks like. I mean, ignore this, but yeah. So I really like it, and these are like huge, you know, big in size, and these look very, very classy. These are very, very trendy, and this was originally priced at 1790, but I got it, imagine, in 990 rupees in sale. I love them. Okay, so now let's start with the clothing. I got this dress, which you guys have already seen in my college outfit ideas video. It's already live on my channel, watch it if you guys haven't. So this is this dress which is all floral and it's such a cute little short summery out holiday vacation whatnot. I can describe it in n number of things and I totally like it. It's a go-to dress when I don't know what to wear. I'll just put this on and go out. So this is really nice, and I got it for imagine 990. Like, I'm drooling over the prices. This is all from Zara, guys. Imagine, it's just 900 and I had to buy it. Next up I have is this purple colored. It's for winters actually. The fabric is warm but it's super soft, so I can wear it underneath and then over it I can wear jackets and, you know, layer it up, so it is that soft, and I got it only for the color. You guys can see how bright and bold, and you know, it's such a nice color. So it's just a basic top, and I got it for rupees. It's originally priced at 990, but in sale I got it for 790, which is a great deal. So the next thing up is this top, which is actually difficult to understand when I show it, but I'll still try. So this is a top which is cream colored and it has this tie knot thing over here, just like this top has, and it's frilly, it's long. The sleeves, I really like the sleeves, you know, these are balloon from the above and then it cinches in the cuff area, and this balloon kind of sleeve, I really like it. It's very frilly and very summery. It's quite feminine and girly, you know, like a very young piece, and I will pair it with some nice classic blue denims and I think it will look good. So my mom and me are going to share this top because she also likes it. So we decided to get one, and it's originally priced at 2590, but I got it for 1790. Yeah. Okay, so the next item in clothing is the very recent purchase. I got it like a couple of days back. So this is a long shrug, which is more like, you know, it gives like a very Indian feel because it's chikankari and, you know, like Lucknowi print kind of thing. So this is this shrug, it's long and it has this button over here to tie. Style it in a lot of ways where anything inside a dress, some top and jeans and whatever, it'll look really elegant. So yes, this one I got it it was originally for 3,990, like around 4,000, and I got it for 1,490, which is great, and I love it. So the next thing up is this, what I'm wearing right now. Shooting this video, it's a green top, which is, it's a little low neck, but it has this tie-knot thing which covers that up if you want to. Then this color, I got it for the color because this color is A, very much in trend, B, such a bold green color, it really makes a statement. So this, if you just wear this top and just go like that, people will notice you're wearing something really nice. It's very elegant. I like how it fits me, and the stuff is nice. It's kind of formal. You can wear it to even meetings or even parties. It's that kind of a very versatile top. So I really like it, and yeah. The next thing up are these denims, which are well fit. Like the moment I wore it, I thought that these are made for me. So these are like quite high-waisted, and I like the color of it. It's the basic denim, and this is how it looks like. So there is one last piece of clothing which I got, but I'm not showing you because it's my birthday dress, guys. Of course, I don't want to disclose it in this haul. So catch me up on my birthday look. It's just around the corner. 4th of August is my birthday. So I got a dress for that day, and I'll be uploading pictures on my Instagram from my birthday. So catch me up there. I'm not showing it in this haul, so sorry, but yeah. And the link to my Instagram account is also down below in the description box. So make sure you follow me there as well. So guys, that is it. These are all my purchases I got from Zara recently from their sale, and I'm absolutely loving it. So if you like this video, hit like, comment down your favorite item out of all, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time very soon with another fashion video. So till then, bye guys, I love you.